Now look, Dane Cook is in the middle of a comeback, and all I'm saying is you can either be with it or you can be against it, but in the long run, you're gonna wish you were with it.
I'm so glad you took time off from your job as a professor to come eat dinner with us, Julius. I'm making your favorite meal, chicken and pepper.
Oh, thanks, Mom, but no pepper for me tonight. I'm trying to cut back. It makes me sneeze.
What? Sneezing is good for you. You look like you need a sneeze.
Sneezing's healthy. I'll tell you, people these days are all decongestions, antihistamines. Well, heck, the body has a reason for sneezing.
He have allergies.
Cover your plates, everyone.
Get him some water.
No, let me sneeze, dang it. I like my mouth dry and my sneezes wet.
It's all that pepper. It's in the air. Hey, no complaints here. If you ask me, pepper's #1 amongst seasonings.
So pass it over.
You want even more pepper? Hey, what can I say? I love the stuff. My word. Do you mind if I try? Uncle Reggie, she's all yours.
Well, here goes nothing. That one was a slow burner. Oh, Herc, you sneeze! Herc, you sneeze!
Shut up! You guys are being disgusting. This is an abomination. This is a...
Now that is a sneeze.